What message do you want to give to the students of our vicinity actually?
देखिए, मैं चाहता हूँ पर्सनली इस तरह से कि बच्चे जो हैं एटलीस्ट इतनी कोशिश करें कि कम से कम इस काबिल बन सके कि किसी भी जगह पर खड़े होकर पहले बोलना सीख जाए। अगर आप कहीं नॉर्मल से 5 लोग बैठे उनमें से किसी को फॉर्मली अगर बोल दें, if you tell them formally to speak a line about you, introduce yourself, then they got nervous. There is no profession better than teaching.
Right, but people don't understand it actually.
Teacher makes all.
Right.
All profession you know. Like
Whatever, yeah, you become doctor,
whatever
professor,
you become,
whatever.
you need a teacher.
Mm.
You need a guide.
Mm.
There's a better guide like you. I think most of the students will learn something and create anything.
Actually, my purpose of coming here is I wanted to understand. Actually, मैं तो being a teacher, obviously I'll tell my students कि ये सारी चीजें जरूरत है, right? And they understand sometimes कि they are promoting their business. But this is not the reality. I want to understand what all are important for spoken English. For English is just a language, and here we take English as a subject, right?
Yeah.
ये दिक्कत हम लोगों के साथ का इंग्लिश में हम लोग एज सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हैं.
When we are talking normally in Hindi,
Right.
we don't use grammar.
Right.
Then it is okay in English. You can use. I have heard many of the scholars and many of the big sportsmen. They spoke and there are many corrections in their spoken.
Yeah, they
but
have
use,
grammatical error actually.
Yeah, actually there are grammatical, but they use fluently. The main purpose of spoken is fluency. If you have fluency, then you are incorrect one.
Right.
Fluency matters.
In Bihar actually,
Yeah.
we mix up language and grammar, and one more thing, that is translation. This is the biggest myth actually. कि translation सीखेंगे तो you will learn English.
स्पोकन बिगड़ जाए।
Right, that will stop.
यही चीज बताना चाह रहा हूँ।
Right.
If you speak according to grammar and translate, then you probably
Translation stops us actually. Right? What message do you want to give to the students of our vicinity actually?
देखिए, मैं चाहता हूँ पर्सनली इस तरह से कि बच्चे जो हैं एटलीस्ट इतनी कोशिश करें कि कम से कम इस काबिल बन सके कि किसी भी जगह पर खड़े होकर वो पहले बोलना सीख जाए। बोलना ये मतलब नहीं कि इंग्लिश में, पहले तो ये कोशिश होनी चाहिए कि वो बोले। एंड इफ ही ट्राइज टू स्पीक and learn English, then he can speak fluently. Because hesitation, ये जो है hesitation हमारे यहाँ इतनी ज़्यादा है कि अगर आप कहीं नॉर्मल से 5 लोग बैठे उनमें से भी किसी को फॉर्मली अगर बोल देते हैं, if you tell them formally to speak a line about you, introduce yourself, then they got nervous.
Right.
Yeah. तो बस यही चाहता हूँ कि बच्चों को पैगाम मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि आप किसी भी हालत में हैं, एजुकेशन लाइन से जुड़े रहें। एजुकेशन हासिल करने के लिए ना कोई उम्र है, कोई उम्र नहीं है, और आपके पास अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी जरिया बहुत सारा है।
Right.
कि आप शॉर्ट्स तक में इंग्लिश स्पोकन की क्लास आप दे रहे हैं। कितनी बेहतरीन चीज मुझे लगी कि शॉर्ट्स में स्पोकन की ये बता रहे हैं सर।
Yeah, I give common errors in the shorts.
Common errors, yeah.
Acting के through, right?
ये बहुत सारे वीडियो देखे। नो एक वीडियो देखे, नो सर यू आर इनकरेक्ट। Your student told you, yes sir, you are incorrect. This is the right. ये चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी। ये चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी कि बच्चे जो है उस तरह से इसको अगर ये किस तरह से भी हो रहा है कि पहले से प्लान करके भी, लेकिन मैसेज देना है।
That's right.
That's the हाँ। तो मेरी जो है जो कमांड मेन है, मेरी कमांड जिसको कहे या फिर ये कहे, क्योंकि ये इस जो है इन्वायरमेंट का खेल है।
This is the
You should have to need an environment. To speak in English, you should need an environment.
right.
If there is no, देखिए हमारी इंग्लिश हम उतनी फ्लुएंट नहीं बोल पाएंगे।
No, you're speaking so beautifully because I'm meeting you for the first time,
Yeah.
and how you are talking to me, it seems like बरसों हो गया मिले हुए, आपसे बार बार मिल रहे हैं, राइट? द फर्स्ट मीटिंग, राइट? एंड आई सॉ योर चैनल फिक्रे दीन, राइट? ओके, देयर I wrote a comments as well, okay, and I said to all my students, actually I have 50% Muslim students and 50% non-Muslim students, right? I share it to many students and everybody said, wow, what a nice initiative. He has 150 students, and how does he do it? So one comment, okay, from your village, okay, one girl is there, Adnan ki sister hai, she was telling ki he is an inspiration for our communities, okay? People should learn from him and from me as well. Okay, I was there in Delhi for 20 years actually, and I left Delhi and I came to Begusarai, my native place, and I had nothing to do actually. करने को कुछ नहीं था मेरे पास, because I was in retail industry, right? I was the manager over there in retail industry in Aditya Birla, right? But in Corona, everybody changed his profession. So I was also one of them actually, right? So I changed it and I came here, and अचानक ये शुरू हो गया spoken English, right? Because it was there in my blood actually. मैं पहले भी पढ़ाता था. That is why I started it. And after starting,
there is no profession better than teaching.
Right? But people don't understand it actually.
Teacher makes all.
Right.
All professions you know, like
Whatever, yeah, you become doctor,
whatever
professor,
you
you
become,
whatever. Like.
you need a teacher.
Hmm.
You need a guide.
Hmm.
If there is a better guide like you, I think most of the students will learn something and create anything.
People love actually SMB English. He will let you know. What do you think about SMB English actually? He will let you know, Mr. Miraj, okay? He is a new lover of SMB English, by the way.
Because there is environment
Yeah.
which everyone should love this.
Right.
And I think many more students will go there after that.
Even Sir says a very beautiful thing, environment, okay? The environment of education. And if you want to make the environment of education, it's not easy.
You should have to create anyhow.
Right.
You should have to create.
Right.
It doesn't matter wherever you are.
Right.
You will have to try to speak English.
Right.
It doesn't matter if anybody is talking, hey, is not, hey,
Right.
blah, blah.
Right.
But you will have to speak fluency. It doesn't matter what other people say. If you think about others, you won't
He
improve.
will not start.
You won't improve.
And
You
sir
won't.
is like running the real class in the name of a sport or spoken English. If I say you experienced about me, I visited many of the coaching,
Yeah.
like, and they only teach in the name of a spoken English. They only do like a structure, and they only provide you bookish language. But when I came to SMB, we saw a different thing. Like you talk about activities. One of the biggest thing to learn English, to understand the English. That's the thing.
I
that we are
started a
practicing.
spoken batch in 2008.
Yeah.
I was only 14 years
Okay.
old at that time, and tried my best, but I thought that it needs an activity, and there
Right. Right.
that time there were no social media. So I quit. I thought I have perfection in literature.
No, you are perfect in spoken, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, again and again you're repeating it, but I can tell you only one thing is there, that you need a person who can help you in activity, right?
Yeah,
and that
yeah.
person has to be honest,
Because
okay?
I didn't get environment. That's why I am not fluent.
Right.
You can say I'm not fluent. I don't think that I am fluent English. My English is not very well in spoken, but I think my command is on literature. I am repeating it only because I know there are many faults in my spoken language, because it is not my subject as a speaker. I'm not a good speaker of English language,
Okay.
but I need a teacher who helps me. I want to I want to open a big coaching classes of spoken here in Lakminia.
Big statement.
So I will
It's a very big statement.
Yes,
right?
I will request you if you could help me.
I will definitely try, okay, and if any students who is fluent, okay, wants to start here, I will definitely try that.
Yeah. I watched a video in Husaina, Kasbah.
Kasba, I went there actually. I went there and I talked about it actually. Right. I went to many villages actually. I went to Dumri. Okay.
Yeah.
I went several times to Saidpur, Lalpur, Godargama, right, and Ayodhya Bari, GD College. Okay. I had a program there also. I'm planning again.
Life is a beautiful blessing. Life is a beautiful journey filled with so many highs and as many lows. And these all highs and lows and good experience and bad experience makes us who we are. But then there are some incidents which are so strong, so powerful that incidents change us as a human being. That incident change our DNA. That incidents are not only incidents, I call them blessing because they might break you physically, but they transform your soul.
और इसको बुलवाया मैंने। हाँ,
रटवा के बुलाया।
उसके बाद तो उसको पिच पता चला कि हाउ टू यूज इंटोनेशन, राइट।
Accent, intonation, ये these are the most important thing.
तो lot of different types of activities.
You must be facing the pronunciation problem also here.
Yeah, obviously
You
we're
must be
facing that
facing
actually, right?
because the pronunciation of students are very poor here.
Very poor,
Very
seriously.
poor.
Right.
So you have to work a lot on pronunciation also.
But one thing I wanted to understand, as per your experience actually, what experience you have, because running a school, right? So, when students come to us, their first question, what I say to sir is like, ki, how much time it will take, right?
First.
This question, addressing this question is very tough. And on phone they ask, I say please meet me and talk to me. On phone, sir, कितने दिन सीख जाएंगे जरा बता दीजिए। तो बोले आप पहले आ जाइए, डॉक्टर के पास आएंगे, नब्ज को पकड़ेगा, फिर पता चलेगा कौन सा दवा देना है।
It depends on caliber, sir.
Right. And students don't want to come. They want quick results.
Give the
What should I
time.
do for them? क्या किया जाए इनके लिए? कैसे उसको बताया जाए कि
They wanted a quick style to speak for the spoken.
Right.
Yeah.
As I told you now, you just say them. It depend on you. It not depend on me. How many time will you take? It depend on you. If you are practicing very hard, I guarantee you can learn within 6 months.
Right.
But there is a condition behind it.
Condition.
If you are practicing a lot, if you are speaking a lot, if you are putting effort behind it,
Right.
then you can. I guarantee that you will
Right.
you will be fluent within 6 months.
Right.
It depends on me. Simply, it doesn't depend on me.
I give an example to those students. If you want to swim, okay, and if you want to swim and you don't want to jump into water, will you be able to swim? You want to be able to swim, right? Okay, you need to jump into the water, having all the trepidation and problems and dirt and all freak out and all. So you must jump into the water for that if you wanted to know how to swim, right? So, but still 4 साल से चला रहे हैं लोग क्यों पैसा तो चाहिए यार, because money is primary thing to provide the facilities. As far as being my projector, for that I need to invest some money, right? Okay. So if his numbers are very important, if numbers are good, obviously we can do whatever we want to do, because we can invest money for that all facilities and all. That we are lacking. Otherwise, everything is perfect. One teacher in India, and his name is CAF, sir, Well Talk Institute. Right? Everybody must have known and gone through on YouTube channel. Well Talk. He is the star of India, you can say. In communication, 3 teachers, 2 teachers. One is Abdullah sir, right? Happiness Institute in Delhi. ये लोग मतलब मुस्लिम कम्युनिकेशन के इंडस्ट्री में देख रहे हैं कि they are doing very well.
Zulfaqar Mohammadi also he is very good teacher.
Right.
YouTube पे you must you can see him. Zulfaqar Mohammadi. He is expert of new English new words and pronunciation. Zulfaqar Mohammadi.
That's actually.
But if you are running a spoken class, you must develop a syllabus.
Right.
Syllabus is essential. Okay, in very first month I have to do this, second month I have to do this, third month I have to do this.
आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग बट एक इशू यहाँ पे ये आ रहा है कि स्टूडेंट जो आता है ना मेरे पास कोई भी